Building robots is fun. Building autonomous robots is even more fun. But sometimes, especially when fleshing out chassis or drivetrain designs, you just want to drive the darn thing. That's where the rudRemote comes in. Hi, I'm Del Rudolph, inventor of the rudRemote. A project 3 years in the making, rudRemote takes an old radio control transmitter and creates a new controller that speaks crazy real-time protocol to whatever is listening. Let's say you built a sweet new telepresence robot and you want a way to control it. You don't want to get too invested in developing the remote. After all, the remote isn't the project. You want to just drive the thing, but you don't want to spend weeks working out how to control it. Or maybe you've built a neat robot arm and you need a means to guiding it towards taking over the world. The only issue is you hate networking and your cat always chews through any wires it finds. Thanks to rudRemote, you don't have to worry about any of that. Basically, you've got a 40-year-old remote that can fly a modern quadcopter.
Alright, so here's rudRemote. It's just a standard 40-year-old 6-channel radio transmitter. We've got throttle, yaw, roll, and pitch. Up here we've got flaps, and this would be channel 5 gear. So those are all fed into Teensy on the inside. The Teensy just translates everything and spits it out over the 2.4 gigahertz radio module. Down here we've got a little OLED screen so we can get a little bit of information. So we choose our robot mode, get out of the menu, and look at this, we're driving a robot. So here we've got the Teensy, all its little wires going off to everything, all wrapped up nice and pretty. Back here you get the radio module, the NRF24L01, whatever it is. Little micro B breakout board, sending data lines up and over to the Teensy, sending power over here to the Power Boost 500C from Adafruit. It's got a 2000 milliamp hour battery, power the whole thing. Use the original gimbals here with their original pots. We've got the flaps potentiometer up here, and that bracket added another little bracket to it to hold the encoder for the input on the front. Little OLED screen right there. We got our little gear switch over here, and you can see the extension cord connecting the antenna down to the little radio module. It's all wrapped up in nice pretty copper foil sheet.